All right, let's go again. So please look up. Please look up. Let us go again. All right, so example number 2. The question here is this: find dy dx, given that this, all of this, right? You have x cubed y squared, no, x cubed y, please, minus 2x y to the power 4 plus y equal to 7x to the power 10 y to the power 5 minus 9x to the power 9 plus 3. You're asked to find dy dx here. So how do you solve this? Let's use the same pattern. First things first, focus on them individually. So I'll start with the x here. Differentiate x cubed using general method. What do you get there? 3x to the power 2 or 3x squared. That's what you have. Use this now to multiply what is left. That's y. So use this to multiply y. What do you get there? 3x squared y. I'm done with the x. Now focus on y. Hang on. If you have x like this, if you differentiate x, what will you get? You have 1. Good. So you have 1. All right. Now, if it is y, it's just y. Just like if you differentiate just x, you have 1. If you differentiate y here, what do you get there? 1. Am I adding a sign here? Which sign? Why is it plus? Is it, you're correct. When you say you're correct. So I'm having plus here. It's plus because this man is a positive term. So differentiate y here gives you what there? 1. Use 1 to multiply this. 1 times x cubed gives you what there? X cubed. Add what there? Dy dx. So I have this. All right. The first term is settled. What's the sign here? So you write minus now. Come to x. Differentiate just x here. What do you have here? 1. Differentiate x here. Leave the number alone. No. Focus on x. Differentiate x here gives you what there? 1. Use 1 to multiply what is left. What is left there is 2 and then y to the power 4. So 1 times 2 times y to the power 4. What do you get there? 2y to the power 4. What comes next? Plus or minus? What comes next? Plus or minus? What you write here, hang on. What you write here, that's why I said understand the concept. The reason why we had plus here was because there was a plus here. That was why you had plus here. For this question, what comes before this? Minus. So what do you have there? Minus. That's it. So it becomes minus. You have x to the power 4. Differentiate x to the power 4. What do you get there? It gives you what? 4y to the power what there? 3. Right. Or 4y cubed. 4y cubed times 2x. 4 times 2 gives you what there? 8. And then what again there? X. And what again there? Y to the power what there? 3. All right. What do I add next there? Add dy dx. Please get the concept. That's the main thing there. I'm done. What sign do I have there? So plus. Differentiate y. What do you get there? 1. So you'll be having literally 1 here. What do you attach to 1? So 1 times dy dx gives you what? If you like, write 1 dy dx. When they ask who is your tutor, find somebody's name and call. Don't call my own name. But please get what I'm doing here, please. All right. Normally, if I differentiate to y, I'll have 1. So I'm supposed to have 1 times. There's nothing here. So bring the 1 down. So there's a 1 here. And remember that if you differentiate y, you have dy dx. So it becomes 1 times dy dx. So that gives you what there? Dy dx. That's it. All right. Left hand done. Let's come to right hand. That is equal to, for right hand, differentiate x to the power 10. What do you have there? If I differentiate x to the power 10, that gives you 10x to the power 9. Use this to multiply the two things left. I have just differentiated this one here. I'm left with this and this. So 10x to the power 9 times 7. Let's start with numbers first. 10 times 7 gives you what there? So I have 70. X to the power what there? Now take the y term. Y to the power 5. I have this. Okay. This man is gone. Differentiate y to the power 5. What do you get there? 5y to the power what there? 4. use this. I have just differentiated this one here, and I got this one. Use this to multiply these two. So first things first, 5 times 7 gives you what there? The sign there is plus, right? So you have what there? 35 into what there? X to power 10, and then y to power 4. Add what there? Add the y dx. Okay. Minus, so I have minus 9 times 9 gives you what there? 81 x power what? 8. Please observe, this one is standing here. There's no y attached to it. So just go straight. Differentiate x per 9. That gives you, hold on, sorry. Differentiate x per 9. That gives you what there? 9x per what there? 8. 9 times 9, 81. Then x per 8. That's all. Right? That's all. Plus constant. That gives you what there? 0. So I have plus 0. All right. What's my next task? All the terms that have what there? Dy dx. Take them together. So I'll start with this one first. That gives you what there? X cubed into what there? Dy dx. What next? Minus 8x y cubed dy dx plus dy dx. This man move over, it becomes what there? Minus 35 x to power 10 y to power 4 into what there? Dy dx. That's all right. All right. So the other ones not having dy dx, you move them over. But before you move them over, let's repeat the ones here. This one here does not have dy dx, so it will remain here. 70 x to power 9 y to power 5. What again? Minus 81 x power 8. 0 is off. So bring this man here over. It becomes what there? So it becomes negative. It is crossing the equality sign. Becomes negative. Minus 3x squared y. What else? This minus crosses equality sign. Becomes what there? So plus what there? 2y to power 4. Is that all? So that's all. What's the next task there? Factorize what there? Dy dx. So let's bring out dy dx here. Remove dy dx here. What do you have here? X cubed minus, remove the y dx here. What do you have there? Y cubed plus, remove the y dx here. What do you have here? I have 1. Good. 1. There was a 1 here. Minus, remove the y dx here. What do you have there? 35x to power 10 y to power 4. Is that all? Yep. So it's now equal to, repeat this man, 70x to power 9 y to power 5 minus 81x to power 8 minus 3 x squared y plus 2 y to power 4. All right, so we have this. What's the final task? All right, so we're going to be making the y dx to be what there? Subject all the formula by dividing both sides by what here? This man here. You what there? Okay, next example. Next example. Did you get the first one? You got the first one. How did you solve the first one? What's the concept behind it? What do we do? I said, if you're having this case, x cubed y to power x cubed y, yeah? So I said, what you do is very simple. Okay, let me use this. Let me use something else. So watch this. If I have something like this, x cubed y squared. If you differentiate x cubed, what do you get? Good. Gives you 3x squared. You have just differentiated x, so you're having 3x squared. Use 3x squared to multiply this. So 3x squared times y squared gives you what there? 3x squared y squared. So I'm done with x. What's the sign here? Positive. So it's plus. All right? Differentiate y squared. What would you get? 2y. Now use this 2y to multiply this other one here. So 2y times x cubed gives you what there? 2x cubed y. 2x cubed y. Add what's there? Dy dx. So that's it. That's how you do it. So differentiate x. Use your answer to multiply what is left. So that's what we did here. This is what there? X cubed. Differentiate x cubed. What do you get there? 3x squared, right? Use 3x squared to multiply the y here. Gives you what there? 3x squared y. That's what we did. Plus differentiate y. If you differentiate y, what do you get there? 1. 1 times x cubed gives you what there? X cubed. Whenever you differentiate y, what do you add there? Dy dx. That's all. The sign is minus, so minus comes down here. Differentiate x. If you differentiate x, what do you have? No, differentiate x. Leave the 2 now. Differentiate just x. What do you get? 1. 1 times, use that 1 to multiply the other 2 there. 1 times 2 times y to the power 4. What do you get there? 2y to the power 4. That's all. What's the sign before the term there? Minus. Differentiate x to the power 4. What do you get there? No, differentiate x to the power 4. What do you get? 4y cubed. Good. So you're now having 4y cubed. 4 times 2 gives you what there? 8. Bring the x down. Next up, y cubed. 8 minus 8xy cubed. When you differentiate y, what do you add there? Dy dx. So that's how we do it, okay? Differentiate x, multiply through. Differentiate y, add what there? Dy dx. Look how it's done. All right, let's get the y dx here. So all we have to do, divide both sides. Now, just save me the stress, right? From here, I will have that dy dx, or fine, let me just write that. Dy dx into x cubed minus 8xy cubed plus 1 minus 35x to the power 10 y to the power 4. This is equal to...
To get the complete video, simply join the First Year Students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description. To get the complete video, simply join the First Year Students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description. To get the complete video, simply join the First Year Students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description.